Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP seems to have indeed started that C wave. We were already looking for that in the last couple of days, or at least yesterday. We saw a first move up from our micro support area here in the sideways range. That certainly has led to a successful reaction. And yeah, support is between $2.04 and $2.21 for that internal B wave pullback within wave D of a triangle. Very similar structure to what I think H bar is currently working on, but H bar is already up here on the XRP chart. That would be around about $2.72 because H bar is already challenging the B wave top. Whereas XRP is just now moving out of the micro support region to confirm further that this is the correct interpretation for now, at least on the micro level. We want to see a break above the last swing high that formed on Saturday. That was around $2.39, right? But please note, this is all corrective at the moment, so we're considering different options here. For example, triangle pattern A, B, C, D, E, and the idea was that in the D wave, we would be working on an ABC structure. Now that is currently working out, but this could still be the blue scenario in which we are forming a wider wave 4, you could say complex wave 4 flat correction combination pattern, in which from the third wave top, I mean the thesis is that a third wave topped. So it is assumed this is a fourth wave pullback, which allows us to track different structures, specifically those structures that a wave 4 can form. That would be a triangle, and it would also be a more complex correction as shown here as a WXY structure, where we completed wave W already, the X wave, and in the Y wave this is an A, B, C structure. Definitely something worth considering. And in this scenario, we would, however, need a break below that $1.93 level, which is a swing low from Friday the 20th. Yeah, so that means I'm watching for higher prices in the short term. If this is a triangle pattern, then we should see at some point an E wave, which would be a higher low, and it can be weak before we break out to the upside. However, the triangle E wave will be invalidated. So the upside breakout from a triangle pattern will be invalidated with a break below that 20th of December low. That's the formal invalidation point. If that happens, we can still consider it a wave 4, but it wouldn't be a triangle. So but that is the pivot that helps us distinguish between the blue and the yellow scenarios. Okay, both are considered a wave 4, and that means in the short term we're watching for slightly higher prices, possibly in that D wave. But please note that tracking within a corrective structure is always tricky, 10 times more difficult than in an impulse anyway. I'm actually surprised it works out so well, because the triangle is still, I mean, we've been talking about that triangle now for, I don't know, for a week or so, and it's filling in nicely. And all we need is a slightly lower high in wave D and a higher low in wave E. Now, again, what would tell us blue is unfolding? A break below 193, and then we can pay attention to that blue target zone below. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.